In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set and match frame rates in Adobe Premiere Pro. We'll start by creating a fresh timeline so everything is organized from the beginning. In Premiere Pro, go to the top menu, choose File, then New, and click Sequence. This opens the dialog where your timeline gets its foundational settings. Think of the sequence as the stage where all your clips will perform, and the frame rate you choose here will set the rhythm of that performance. Next, set the frame rate in your sequence settings. In the sequence window, look for the settings area where you can choose your desired frame rate, such as 24, 30, or 60 frames per second. Pick the rate that matches your creative goal or your delivery requirements. For a cinematic feel, 24 FPS is a classic choice. For general online content or broadcast, 30 FPS is common. If you want extra smooth motion or plan to create slow motion from higher frame rate footage, 60 FPS can be helpful. Confirm the setting and your sequence is now locked to that time base. Now let's make sure your clips play nicely with the sequence. If your footage was shot at a different frame rate than the sequence you just set, right-click the clip in the project panel and choose Modify, then Interpret Footage. In the frame rate section, select the option to assume a specific frame rate and enter the number you want the clip to conform to. This tells Premiere how to read the clip's timing. For example, interpreting a 60 FPS clip as 24 FPS will slow it down smoothly without stutter, which is great for intentional slow motion. On the other hand, interpreting 30 FPS as 24 FPS will slow it slightly, so be mindful of how that affects timing and audio. If your audio must stay in real time, choose an interpretation that aligns with your sequence pace, or use footage that already matches your sequence frame rate. Finally, confirm your choices and let Premiere do the heavy lifting. The software will conform your clips to the new sequence frame rate, ensuring consistent playback across your timeline. You'll notice smoother editing, fewer stutters, and more predictable motion. If a clip wasn't interpreted, Premiere will maintain its real-time duration and handle the frame blend or cadence under the hood. If you did interpret a clip, expect the speed change you requested to be reflected immediately. And that's it. You created a new sequence, set the frame rate, interpreted any mismatched clips, and confirmed